Imagine a quiet British garden after rain, the earth dark and rich, glistening with life. If you look closely, you might spot a small earthworm wriggling through the moist soil, quietly working beneath our feet. This humble creature is a silent engineer, shaping the ground, creating tunnels that let air and water reach plant roots. Earthworms are the garden's architects, turning decaying leaves into nourishment and helping plants grow strong. Even the smallest life, like the earthworm, makes a big difference, reminding us that greatness often comes in humble forms. Water is the foundation of all life on Earth. Every living thing from whales to microbes depends on water to survive. It fills our cells, carries nutrients, and regulates temperature. Without water, there would be no plants, no animals, no life at all. Plants reach deep into the soil for water, essential for photosynthesis. Animals rely on water for digestion, movement, and waste removal. Our bodies, like the earthworms, are mostly water. Life began in water, and every cell is a tiny bag of it, hosting the chemistry of life. Scientists searching for life elsewhere look for one thing: liquid water. Water is not just something living things drink, it's what they are. For earthworms, this connection is even more pronounced. Their existence is defined by their need for moisture. Water is, and always will be, the essence of all life. The earthworm is a masterclass in watery adaptation. About 80% of its body is water, a secret behind its resilience. Its flexible, fluid-filled body lets it squeeze through soil, gliding and undulating in harmony with the moist earth. The hydrostatic skeleton works like a water-filled balloon. Muscles squeeze and the worm moves forward. Its thin, moist skin must stay damp, or it risks drying out. That's why earthworms surface after rain, taking advantage of safe, wet conditions. Water is not just part of its environment, it is part of its very being. The earthworm is a living testament to water's power in shaping life, sustaining both itself and the soil it inhabits. An earthworm's watery body is central to its movement and survival. Unlike many creatures, earthworms are almost entirely dependent on water, not just for hydration, but for every aspect of their lives. Their bodies are made up of nearly 90% water, making them incredibly sensitive to changes in their environment. To move, earthworms rely on two sets of muscles, circular and longitudinal, which work together to create a graceful wave-like motion. This unique movement allows them to glide smoothly through the soil, pushing forward and pulling the rest of their body along. Tiny bristles called setae act like anchors, gripping the soil and preventing the worm from sliding backward as it moves. These bristles are small but essential, giving the earthworm remarkable control and traction underground. Most fascinating of all, earthworms breathe entirely through their skin, which must remain moist at all times. This thin, delicate skin is coated in a layer of mucus which is vital for their survival. Oxygen from the air dissolves in the mucus on their skin and passes directly into their bloodstream. This process is efficient but only works if the skin stays wet. Dryness can be fatal. Carbon dioxide, the waste gas, exits the same way, diffusing out through the moist skin. Earthworms have no lungs or gills, relying solely on this remarkable adaptation. Water also plays a crucial role in transporting nutrients and flushing out waste through tiny pores in their skin, functioning much like our kidneys do for us. A well-hydrated worm is a healthy worm able to move, breathe, and feed efficiently. Without enough moisture, their bodies quickly become stressed and vulnerable. This reliance on moisture is both their greatest asset and their greatest vulnerability. Too little water, and they risk drying out. Too much, and they can drown. Earthworms are tied to damp places, living on the edge between hydration and desiccation. After rain, you'll often see them emerge, taking advantage of the wet conditions. Their watery existence is a delicate balance, perfectly suited to their underground world. Every tunnel they create helps aerate the soil and maintain the moisture they need. Evolution has shaped earthworms to thrive in this moist, hidden realm, making them one of nature's most remarkable survivors beneath our feet. Earthworms are full of surprises beyond their slippery, watery bodies. They have 5 pairs of simple hearts, muscular rings that pump blood efficiently through their long bodies. Earthworms can regenerate lost segments, a remarkable survival trick if attacked by predators. They are hermaphrodites, each with both male and female organs, but still need a partner to reproduce. Mating worms exchange sperm and produce tiny cocoons from which baby worms eventually hatch. As detritivores, earthworms feed on dead organic matter, recycling nutrients back into the soil. They eat soil, digesting decaying leaves and roots, and excrete nutrient-rich castings as they move. In a single day, an earthworm can eat its own weight in soil and organic matter. These castings enrich the earth, making earthworms nature's ultimate recyclers of nutrients. Earthworms are tiny, tireless plows and fertilizer factories in one, working beneath our feet. Earthworms are nature's master gardeners, vital to healthy soil and thriving ecosystems. Their burrowing aerates the soil, letting oxygen and water reach plant roots. Tunnels improve drainage, preventing waterlogging. Earthworms mix soil layers, dragging organic matter down and bringing minerals up. This bioturbation creates rich, uniform topsoil for seeds and plants. Their digestion transforms soil and organic matter into nutrient-rich castings. These castings provide plants with essential nutrients in an easily absorbed form. The mucus in castings helps bind soil, improving structure and preventing erosion. Without earthworms, soils would be compact, less fertile, and slower to recover. In agriculture, healthy worm populations reduce the need for fertilizers and tilling. Earthworms are silent essential workers, true keystone species in our world. In a world obsessed with the grand and powerful, the earthworm reminds us of the importance of the humble. This simple, watery creature is the foundation of healthy soil and thriving life. Its existence benefits everything from grass to oak trees and all who depend on them. The earthworm's life is a lesson in interconnectedness and resilience. Its health reflects the health of the land. Where worms thrive, so does the ecosystem. We can help by avoiding harsh chemicals, composting, and nurturing organic soil. Caring for earthworms means caring for our environment and future. Next time you see a worm after rain, see a master engineer and guardian of the soil. The earthworm is a small, watery wonder, an unsung hero of our planet. Even the most unassuming creatures can have a powerful, positive impact on the world.